If you're planning a kitchen renovation or refresh this year, you're going to want to pay attention to these top 3 hot kitchen trends for 2023. Trend number 1 is wood and painted cabinetry. Now, wood cabinets are back in a big way in 2023, which continues the trend that we've been seeing over the last couple of years. But these are not your traditional oak cabinets from the 1980s. Today's wood cabinets have much more muted tones, not so much yellow or orange to them. As people are bringing more warm tones into their homes, you're going to see wood being used in a lot of different areas. But especially in kitchens, you're going to see wood cabinets paired with painted cabinetry. You'll also start to see entire kitchens filled with wood cabinetry, but they'll be paired with a lot of white to keep them looking bright and fresh. Painted cabinets will be all the rage in 2023. And even though we've been moving away from the all-white kitchen look, you're going to see a lot of softer off-whites and beiges and grays popping up in kitchen cabinetry, often paired with wood. You're also going to see a lot of color start to emerge, especially smoky blues and smoky greens, and even some brighter jewel tones may make an appearance. If you want some specific recommendations for paint colors for your kitchen cabinets that are not white, I have a great video for you all about some beautiful paint colors for your kitchen cabinets. Trend number 2 is slab and unique tile backsplashes. Large-scale slab backsplashes will be a big trend this year, replacing more traditional tile options. A slab backsplash is basically when you take your countertop material and you run it up the backsplash to create a nice seamless look. Slab backsplashes with beautiful organic movement not only can give your kitchen a nice seamless look, but they're extremely easy to keep clean. The other big trend in backsplashes is going to be colorful tiles and tiles that have a unique or handmade look to them. Zellige tiles are also going to continue to be really popular. They have such beautiful color and really unique style with that. No tile is quite the same look. You'll also see plenty of pattern tiles, especially geometric ones, that can inject a little bit of personality into your kitchen. Trend number 3 is countertops with some subtle character to them. Quartz will remain a very popular choice for a countertop material in 2023, but look for options that have a little more movement or character to them rather than a solid color. If you want to go with granite, avoid ones that look too busy or have a lot of speckling to them because that's starting to look dated. Of course, if you want to go bold with your choice, there's nothing wrong with making a statement with your countertop in 2023, but you might just want to balance it out a little with some more subtle choices for your backsplash or your kitchen cabinet colors. So what's out for kitchens in 2023? This list doesn't mean it's not beautiful. It just means that it's not one of the trends that we're seeing in kitchen design this year or in the years coming forward. Number 1 is all white kitchens. Number 2, gray cabinets. Number 3, granite countertops that are just way too busy. Number 4, plain white subway tile backsplashes. Number 5, mosaic backsplashes, the ones with lots of little tiles. And number 6 is open shelving. Now that you know the hot kitchen trends for 2023, you're ready to transform your kitchen into a space that's both beautiful and on trend. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when future videos come out. And for more tips like these, head on over to my website where you can download a bunch of free resources to help you with your home decorating.